Hear me? Today is April 16, 2013, and we are about to open the swimming season. Noah from United States, getting ready.
Hurry up already!
Hold on. And the water temperature is ice cold.
Not ice cold, it's getting warm.
It is ice cold. Alright. You can jump when you're ready. We cannot stay long. We're gonna have to come out real quick. Just do a normal jump. Don't go deep. You don't have earplugs, so. Woo!
I missed the pool. It's so good. It's so good.
Alright, swim this side. Come on. Woo! 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 Woo!
I missed the pool. It feels so good.
Alright, go back and swim over that side.
Why?
Because you need to stay warm. Go back.